Hey, what's up guys, it's Seeker, and as you can see, we are outside of Eagle Coin in O'Fallon, Illinois. So, like I said in the video the other day, this mystery pack right here that I just got off of eBay for $25 plus $6.50 shipping, we're gonna take into an actual coin shop, and we're gonna ask the coin shop worker to tell us what this is actually worth, and we're gonna see if he's want to buy it, and we'll try and take the cash as well. To be honest, he may not even want any of this stuff, but we'll find out today, won't we? So let's take it in to Eagle Coin and see what we have. All right, here we are guys in Eagle Coin. Now this is Greg. I do know Greg, so it's not like we've never met before, but you guys may remember Greg. He is the son of Norm, who actually Keith from Coin Crew interviewed about a month ago at the coin show in St. Charles. So Greg, like I told you on the phone, I got this mystery pack from eBay. I paid $25 for this thing, plus $6.50 in shipping. Could you tell me what they're worth and what you would offer me as a coin shop?
All right.
I appreciate it.
All right. Right off the bat, there's some copper nickel coins here. Did you check out to whether this one's silver or not?
That is not silver.
Not silver. Okay. Categorizing them here.
Yeah, take your time.
So the ones that I positioned over here, I would categorize as basically face value.
Okay.
If I'm not missing anything.
Okay.
Don't have my glasses on, but in that assumption, these all appear to be face value to me.
Okay.
That being said, the top dollar we'd sell this coin ever for would be like $2.50. You can buy one today from us for $2.50 in straight out of the roll condition.
Okay.
Top.
Right.
$2 top, buck top, but still face value is what a typical coin dealer is going to say these are right here.
Right.
After that, you have a couple proof coins.
Okay.
Hello. Couple proof coins here.
Okay.
71S nickel, maybe in the red book, a buck.
Okay.
Buck or two. 79S type 1 cent, a buck or two, maybe in the red book. 92S half dollar in the red book. We can check it right this second.
Okay.
92S. So 92S.
Okay.
The silver one, it says $17, but the one we have here is just the red book says $5 for this coin right here.
But what would you sell that for?
At least $1 or 20% off of the red book at least.
Okay.
So $3 or $4.
Okay.
Is what we would sell it for.
All right.
So a buck or two, so $2 or $3 total. So maybe $5 total for the proof coins. Sell it.
Okay.
And then for this $2.50 top would be maybe $5 to sell it for.
Okay.
So 10 total retail. This Buffaloes are worth $1 in that condition.
Okay.
The silver dime like this, sure it's an MS63, but it's as common as mud. And we would sell you one for no more than $2.50, but closer to $2.
Okay.
This V nickel has kind of a weird color to it, like it is. Its condition makes it an $8 to $10 condition, but the color is going to make it not the first one to sell off your shelf because it's just not a natural color.
Right. Do you think that's because it's been polished, maybe?
It probably was polished at one time, just judging by the way it looks.
Okay.
You know what? It looks like somebody attempted at some point to make it be. It's gold looking. It actually, I mean, look at it under a loop. It kind of looks like they might have made it a racketeer nickel at one time.
Okay.
And then somebody may have tried to polish the gold off of it.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I mean,
yeah, because in '83 they had the racketeer nickels. They tried to pass off as $5 gold pieces.
You might notice yourself when you look at it closer, and it might have been at one point I'm not saying it could have been an original Racketeer's nickel, but it's the right year. It's the right condition for a Racketeer's nickel.
Sure.
It kind of leaves a mystery on the bag, so if they called it a mystery bag, they're right. But if outright retail is on your mind, I would think that you'd be lucky to surpass, unless you represented this for something you couldn't really guarantee until you certified it. This might be $15 worth of, maybe $15 top retail to a brand new coin collector out of your little front treasure chest.
Right.
It's not coins you keep in the back case or anything, or in the back boxes. You throw them into your bargain bin, or into your drawer.
Fair enough. Okay. So on a lot like this, if I were to bring this into you and sell it to you, what would you offer me? And keep in mind, we're not going to hold you to it, but I'm just curious.
Quite frankly, as a coin store,
right,
after someone lays these in front of me, I would give them another 10 minutes of time, which these days appraisal rates are $60 an hour. So if you get for every minute you're spending with the person, you know, they're coming out okay on a free appraisal.
Sure.
So I would offer them a few more minutes of my time before I'd be offering them money out of my pocket.
Fair enough.
If that makes sense.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
If you really had to have an offer of what I would pay for it, let me try to give you that.
Okay.
So 1, 2, I would be very reluctant to pay $3 for this $2.50.
Okay.
I would be very reluctant to pay $3 for this.
Okay.
So that's $6, and I'd pay $1.52. So I'd be reluctant to pay more than like $13, more than half of what was paid for the whole.
You reluctantly pay $13.
Yeah. And I really would want to pass.
You wouldn't be happy about it.
No, it would be money I'd rather keep in my drawer.
Totally understand.
And I could, my gosh, I could sell a person so much more for that. They could come away with so many more neat coins to look at, rather than what we call pocket change.
Right, for sure. So basically 25 plus 6. So I paid $31 for this roughly. I could get a lot better coins from you for $31 than what we have here. So would you ever, if you saw this, would you ever buy one of these mystery bags?
I would recommend letting me make one up for someone.
Okay.
And compare my mystery bag to their mystery bag, and they'll never look at mystery bags again.
Fair enough.
Unless it's from a reputable coin dealer.
Awesome.
Who wants your business back and doesn't want you to maybe. I mean, this person doesn't want you to do any homework.
Right.
They don't want you to go look anything up or ask this question, what's this worth to a coin dealer?
Right.
Because you'll never buy from them again.
Right.
That's really what concerns me. You can get so much more for $25, $30 if you let me go to town with it.
Fair enough, Greg. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you. And I know you have a customer waiting on there, so I won't keep you anymore, but I appreciate it, good sir.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Anytime you need anything.
All right. So there you have it, guys. Definitely not what we paid for that, is it? So even the coin dealer's like, yeah, I could do way better for the $30 than what we got from this mystery bag. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time.